Hi all, welcome to another video of Berg Performance, and today we have a very interesting car for the Dutch market. We drive a lot of hybrids here in the Netherlands because of the tax regulations, the import taxes, etc. that we use, and we Dutch people, we really tend to like comfortable cars with powerful engines. So that's what we have here. This is a BMW X5 xDrive45e hybrid, G05 generation. It is equipped with the BMW B58 engine, but is being supported by the electrical engine as well. So it produces a lot of power, it gets you a lot of comfort, and it is also very fuel efficient if you combine those two together. So what did we do to this car? I will just open up the hood, because opening up the hood tends to be very cool. There's not a lot to see, to be honest, but what we did is we have changed the downpipe of this car. We have replaced it with a Wagner 200 spells sport-catted downpipe. We have deleted the OPF system of the vehicle, and of course we have done our signature custom tuning calibration for the Stage 2 hardware setup of this vehicle based on 98 octane fuel here in the Netherlands. So this car produces stock 394 horsepower, and we are expecting it to be above 500, like 550 horsepower, because of the draggy times that you can see in this video later. Please watch the draggy results, especially the 0 to 100. You will be shocked by what you will see. So also for this car we have unlocked the ECU by Femto, because the newer BMWs, as you might already know, newer than 2020 06, you cannot tune these vehicles unless they are being unlocked first by Femto, and then we have custom calibrated the software for this vehicle depending on the customer's wishes. So we're going for a little drive, enjoy, and I hope you'll enjoy the scenery as well as we are driving this vehicle. So there we are in the very big BMW X5 xDrive45e G05 generation. What a magnificent car this is. This has the familiar B58 engine in front, supported by an electrical pack or electrical engine as well, to really bump up the power of this vehicle. So a little bit of a downside of the hybrid system is that you have a little bit less space in the trunk or in the rear because the battery pack is placed there. But the upside is the torque, and of course the electric range which you can have. So we're like approximately at 70% right now, and it's giving me a range of 46 kilometers. But that's something for the electric junkies. What we are interested in is the power and the performance of this vehicle. We have really calibrated a perfect Stage 2 file on this car. As explained before, we have replaced the downpipe of this car with a 200 cell Wagner downpipe. We have deleted the OPF system, and we have custom calibrated the engine software according to the modifications and the type of fuel that is being used, and that is 98 RON here again in the Netherlands. It is not sunny today, by the way, but that doesn't matter. It's a little bit Halloween-y style right now. But this car is so fast, but also so comfortable to drive. The stock figures of this car is that the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time is 5.6 seconds, and the 100 to 200 is approximately 16.5 seconds when stock. With our tuning, it is really amazing. We have managed to do a 3.9 something, 3.94 I think it was, for the 0 to 100 in an SUV X5 format. And the 100 to 200, the best time that we achieved was a 10.55. Consistent 2.7 we were getting. The 2.55 was the one time only, which was a valid run as well. But the 0 to 100, I mean, all the time, 4 seconds flat, 3.9 seconds, that is amazing, simply amazing. I saw one video online which was claiming to have 590 horsepower on their dyno. I don't know, it can be true, but it doesn't matter. But that car was doing like 12 point something, 100 and 200. And this does a 10.5. And I am still thinking that the power delivery should be, like real power figures, should be around 550 horsepower right now and 850 Newton meters of torque. But the get-go of this car is so amazing. I also put the seat warmers on and the massage function. So what I also did is, when you're driving a BMW X5, the road ended here by the way, is that it is so comfortable that you can really enjoy this kind of power, but it is not all the time inviting you or challenging you to drive fast. Hi Dougie. Oh, he's very angry that I have entered his terrain, I can see. But it is like so relaxing to drive. I will just give this tractor his way. With the massage function on for the seats, the seat heating is on, but what is also being heated are these armrests here. So this part is now being heated because I turned on my my heated function, but also this side where you can put your arm on is also being heated. So it's like a really cozy place to be in. But if you just, oh my god, press the pedal, this thing just flies. I don't think you need any more power in an X5, but when you compare this to, for example, an X5M, of course X5M will be a little bit faster, but I think in real life and on a real road with the with the hybrid power, the X5 owner, the X5M owner would really be afraid of this hybrid, and my cameraman is laughing at the back because it has so much torque and the immediance of the power delivery is so great. Hey, we have, hey, I think this is Auto Topanel style because we normally have our cows and those are their horses, as you can see. Hi horsey, I will not steal your content. But listen to this. The sound is also so subtle, you know. You're driving an X5, you don't want to be over exaggerating your sound too much, because I think the usual X5 xDrive45e driver wants to cruise in all comfort and also to be the car very silent at sometimes. So then we can put it in comfort mode or in hybrid mode and it will decide for itself if it's going to use the electric power or the internal combustion engine, so the ICE. This is so perfect. I think it was last week when we had this car. I drove this car back home with my son. He's 4 years old on the passenger seat, of course. He fell asleep in a journey of 1.9 kilometers. That's how comfortable this car is. But yeah, really guys, there are a lot of calibration possibilities for these cars. The B58 is one of our specialties again. The custom calibration options are endless, but this kind of power and the smoothness that the drivetrain gives you is just out of this world. I think this is the perfect setup for this vehicle, especially with the Stage 2. We get a lot of requests for these kind of vehicles here in the Netherlands because hybrids are very popular because of the tax regulations that we have here. And it is a very good car. And you have the B58. I mean, what happens if we are going to Stage 3 upgrade a B58 in an xDrive45e? I think that will just fly. It will destroy an X5M when it's stock. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Yeah, just enjoy the sound and the footage that we have made for this car. And I hope the new owner or the owner of this vehicle will be very happy with the tuning that we did.
100.
So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please comment, like and subscribe this video. And if you have other questions or any requests for future videos, for example, which car you would like to see us to tune, please just tell us and maybe we will have some time and the customer, of course, to be able to shoot that car as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye.